Hello guys, nice to meet you. Today I will share about how to create variables in Python. In Python, we don't need to declare certain program code using certain data types. Python does not implement the concept of variable declaration. In Python, variables are defined when they will be used, that is, by assigning a value to the variable. For example, a equivalent 13. So I will make many operation, that is multiplication operation and plus operation. So in the example above, we define the variable a with a value of 13. Choose, we can already use the variable in the code we created. For examples as follows: a multiplication 2. So the result is 26. And the count operation is a plus 4. So the result is 17. Okay? What you should know is Python is a language that fully implements object-oriented programming concepts. In Python, everything is an object. For example, 13 is an object of class str. Choose a variable in Python is actually a reference or a pointer that points to the address of a certain object type. Each variable will occupy a different memory address. So I will make other example again. A class in, so I want to type IDA. So the result is 1 5 8 2 7 4 8 3 6 3 4 4 0. And now I want to make, or I want to type B in Python declaration. B is equivalent hello. So you must add apostrophe in hello in whole alphabet, and you can add type B. Now you just add ID B. Okay, so the result is this: 1 5 8 2 7 5 6 5 1 5 5 6 8. Another proof that a variable in Python is actually a reference to a particular class is that every variable in Python has a list of methods. For example, when we define a variable that is filled with text, that variable is a reference that points to an object of class str. Therefore, this variable can be used to call methods contained in class str. And I want give you last example. So s equivalent apostrophe Python and s dot upper so now s dot lower. Yes, you can see the result here. Okay, the most important thing that you have to know is you must add the round bracket in every data type, so the result will come out to screen in your laptop or a personal computer or other device. So this is a round bracket. That's all my lesson for today. hopefully useful, and see you in my next learning video. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, guys. Thank you for watching.